6:52, time for the morning sprint.
Before you head out the door this morning, you'll want to make sure you bring a face covering with you. Starting at 8 a.m., a mask mandate will go into place in Dane County. The emergency order will require anyone over the age of 5 to wear a face covering in enclosed public spaces. That includes, but isn't limited to, public transportation, waiting in line in any building, and when you're in someone else's home. It doesn't apply, though, when you go out to eat on a patio. When you're wearing your mask, you'll also have to wear it properly. That means it has to cover both your nose and your mouth.
If you don't follow the mask mandate, it could end up costing you. Take a look at some of the fines here. The city of Madison plans to fine people $376 if it comes to that. In the rest of the county, the fine would be just shy of $265. A citation won't be the immediate penalty, though. Public Health wants to enforce this order through education first. If that doesn't work, fines could follow.
Starting today, you'll also have to wear a mask whenever you go into a Metcalfe's grocery store. This includes the ones outside of Dane County. They will be providing free single-use disposable masks at the entrance if you happen to forget yours. The rule does not apply to kids who are 2 or younger or people with disabilities.
Happening today, the Milwaukee Common Council will discuss whether masks should be required inside public buildings in the city. Hundreds of people have already submitted public comments on the issue. Many are in support. Others say it should be a personal choice. A Public Safety and Health Committee passed the proposed mandate last week 3-1 with one alderman abstaining.
Conversations around mask mandates come as Wisconsin counts record-breaking COVID-19 numbers for 3 days in a row. The DHS confirmed just under 770 new cases yesterday. More than 10% of those cases came back positive, continuing the upward trend you're seeing on this graph here. We now have more than 36,000 confirmed cases across the state and 820 deaths.
The Washington Redskins are expected to announce the retirement of their team name today. The Sports Business Journal reports the new name will reportedly not be immediately announced, though. The anticipated announcement comes less than 2 weeks after naming rights sponsor FedEx asked for the controversial name to be changed.
Breaking overnight, Madison police are looking for the people responsible for an attempted burglary. Officers say they went to Woodward Avenue just before midnight, not too far from Warner Park. When they got there, officers talked to one of the residents. They said they heard a noise and then the alarm system went off. Police say it seems like the person ran away once that alarm started. Developing this morning, officers in Janesville are investigating after someone found a rotting body in their neighborhood yesterday. Now, because of the smell, the neighbors said they found the body near the intersection of Pierce and Burbank off of Beloit Avenue. Police say it had likely been there for a week before being discovered. That body is badly decomposed, making it hard for law enforcement to identify who it is. They say it is not a child, and they're waiting on autopsy results to figure out if it could potentially be a homicide. 6:55, and a look at the roads. If you're heading out this morning, keep in mind right now we do have this incident on the interstate in Rock County this morning. This is at the exit ramp to Highway 11 on the southbound side, so keep that in mind. The rest of the Madison Metro right now looking pretty good as we start off this work week. That's your first one traffic.
Sunshine to start the morning. Temperatures are now at 66 degrees as we continue to warm up. We are going all the way up towards 83 today with lower humidity. Eventually that humidity begins to increase as a cold front heads our direction tomorrow. That's going to lead to widespread showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening. Some of those could be on the stronger side into Tuesday. A few may be possible into Wednesday as well.
Thank you, Chris, and thanks for joining us this morning, folks. If you have any questions on that mask mandate, log on to channel3000.com. Have a good day.